Before dollars were printed, they were promises, handwritten notes of trust and trade.
Centuries earlier, China mastered the art of printing money, the first in human history.
During America's birth, paper money symbolized freedom and financial chaos.
But with every note printed, counterfeiters followed, sparking a war of ink and deception.
In 1913, the Federal Reserve was born, and so began the era of centralized money printing.
What was once handcrafted now rolls off steel giants with microscopic accuracy.
Every dollar carries secrets, invisible to most, impossible to fake.
Deep inside America's most secure facility, money is born under watchful eyes.
Here, even the air is filtered trees, because perfection starts at the molecular level.
Let's follow one sheet, from blank paper to the dollars in your wallet.
Unlike normal paper, currency is 75% cotton and 25% linen, durable, woven for life. Even before ink touches it, the paper holds a ghost, the watermark of authenticity.
A thin polymer thread runs through every note, glowing under UV light, unique to each denomination. No sheet leaves this stage without human eyes confirming microscopic detail.
Each cut must be exact, 1 millimeter off, and thousands of dollars are wasted.
The dollar's portraits aren't printed, CAD. They're sculpted into steel with surgical perfection.
Only the engraved lines hold ink per color, giving every dollar its raised, tactile texture. With each thunderous press, the face of a nation comes to life, tucked empty, one note at a time. The reverse side bears the seal, the symbol of trust, perfectly aligned through laser precision.
Modern dollars hide color layers, invisible to scanners' quirm, but alive to the naked eye.
Letters smaller than a grain of dust, printed to fight the finest counterfeits.
Every seal is more than a mark. It's a legal signature of the U.S. government.
No two notes are the same. Serials track every bill ever made.
Even the slightest smudge, tear, or misprint means rejection and destruction.
Dollars dry for hours, letting the ink bond into the fibers permanently.
Infrared eyes ensure every hidden mark matches its design exactly.
Machines verify data lures hide, but only human judgment guarantees perfection. Rejected notes never leave this floor, and they're shredded before anyone can see them. A final invisible layer guards the dollar from sweat, water, and wear, preserving every note for years of circulation.
From a giant sheet to single notes, thousands of dollars per minute.
A final invisible layer guards the dollar from sweat, water, and wear, preserving every note for years of circulation.
From a giant sheet to single notes, thousands of dollars per minute.
Bundles rise like bricks of value, each one checked, sealed, and logged.
Under UV light, the dollar glows like a constellation of coded signals.
Only after human approval does this currency become legal tender.
Each pack is counted, sealed, and marked for shipment. No margin for error. Freshly printed money rests here behind steel, waiting for release. Every crate carries millions global, guarded like national secrets. No truck moves without dual verification. One digital, one human. Now the journey begins. Abu Dhabi, from printer to power.
At the reserve gates, security unfolds in layers, each one protecting the pulse of America's wealth.
Before a seal is broken, every crate is scanned, weighed, and verified.
Every stack is tagged and logged. The Villades. The reserve's digital heartbeat never skips a beat.
Even air and temperature obey protocol. Preservation equals protection.
When numbers align perfectly, authority seals the deal. Ink to economy.
Every new dollar is born twice. Once in print, once in code.
Order emerges from motion and pay. Every denomination finds its place.
Before entering the world, every dollar rests, untouched, but ready. Before entering the world, every dollar rests, untouched, but ready.
At the Federal Reserve, these notes enter America's heartbeat, the economy.
From here, money flows like blood through veins to banks, ATMs, and wallets.
That fresh note in your hand began its life in a fortress of ink and steel.
Each note lives about 6 years before it's reborn again. Old dollars die in fireproof vaults to keep new ones trustworthy.
It's more than paper to Matt. It's a symbol of belief, trust, and power that moves the world.
But even as money goes digital, the art of printing still defines its soul.
Behind every dollar, there's a human hand, a watchful eye, a legacy. From ink and fiber to faith and value, this is how money is born.